side of Broad Channel. Down. Didn't take it. Man. Oh, it's really going down now. Wow. It's gone. I bet the next one goes next.